Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you that are new, welcome. In this video, I am going to be doing the trend where they put the flowers on the pants. I just thought that look is just so cute. I will put the YouTuber's link down in my description box, but this is so cute. So what I did was I went to Michael's. They did have some flowers that were on sale at the time. Bought me a couple little bouquets, and my thought process behind it was just something temporary because I don't want to mess up my jeans. So instead of gluing them to my pants, I just figured if what came to mind was magnets. So gluing a flower to a magnet, to one magnet, and then the other magnet just putting inside the pants, as long as the magnet has a good hold, then I felt like, okay, that would be really great, right? So what I did was I picked up some magnets and some E6000 glue. What I'm going to do is cut off the bottom of the flower, and I'm going to cut it real low to make sure it's pretty flat, because then I will be gluing that to gluing it to one side of one magnet, and then the other magnet I would be putting inside the pant. And I tested it out on my shirt just to test out the hole because, yeah, yeah, it didn't hold good at all. It fell right off of my shirt, but I still just wanted to go ahead and give it a try. So I went ahead with my attempt. I put some glue on the magnet, put the flower on top of the glue that's connected to the magnet, and just waited a little bit for it to stick. However, unfortunately, it still did not work. So my plan kind of failed. And it may be more so just due to the fact that the magnets were trash. There was no hold. You know, there are some magnets that you really have to pull them apart. These magnets, I hate that I wasted my money on them, but I could probably use them for something else. For the time being, I may just stick with sewing a couple flowers to a pair of pants, maybe a pair of pants that I don't wear all the time. But that's the thing, it's like I don't want it to be nothing permanent. But if I do find a cute pair of pants and I want to upcycle them, I may just do that. Upcycle them, put a few flowers on them, make it look cute. But yeah, the magnet thing, it failed, unfortunately. But if y'all want to see more, please comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you think down below in the comment box. Y'all have a good day. Bye.
Girl, bye.